Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Good to be out here. Today we're going to be testing out my magmadon and see how good it is. Okay, let's go. So first, we're going to just going to be defeating some bosses. So first let's do the easiest bosses in Pigland. And then we'll do caves. So this video is going to be short because I don't have enough, well, I can still try and do the thing, but I can't because this is only level 7. So let's see how good this is defeating bosses. It's quite fast, but Raptor is probably faster, I don't know. You know, I had a level 22 Raptor. I don't know what level it is now because it's been traded away. Oh, wait. Let's get this. I actually don't know how much damage it does, but we're just going to see that when we actually start fighting the boss. Wait, I don't want this one. I do want this though, because we have an extra slatter, so this is a good one. The red one. The red one's going to be on the other side. And yes, that means we have to kill all of these ones, so I'm pretty sure this is the magmadon is a boss, is meant for bosses. So this is why I'm testing it. Okay, eat all that. Now we have to go against a Nubisaurus. Actually, so funny how you can actually go against a Nubisaurus here. It's actually fun defeating bosses by myself in magmadon. Level 8. Okay. I know how much damage it does now. Now on the final level of it. Okay, first we're gonna have to. Okay, I'm gonna use oh wait, I'm gonna use my dino's distraction. So I can just get this. Oh no! Rolling away, it's rolling away. Don't let it do that. Okay, there. This is in our way. I can't really see. Wait, actually, I'm just put this here, just for while I do this, so I do not get distracted. Okay, now time for the not main boss. It's not here, surprisingly. Oh no! Okay, that just scared me for a second. You know what? Okay, cannot really see. What's that noise? I don't think my magmadon took any damage. Oh, sorry pigs. I killed one by accident. I like magmadons. And yes, we're ending the series of trying to get first at the tops. I cannot really see. Oh wait, it's a little tricky. Why is it so hard? Maybe it's easier if I got on. Yeah. What the? Hey. Now time for cave bosses. Because we can't do volcano. Imagine how powerful this magmadon would be when they add armor. And yes, I will also show you guys the new egg, golden egg, how to get it. Ah, I just had a lag spike. Okay, that's done. Let's open this crate. Okay, same colour as me. Well, as my dino. Bro. The Beastosaurus boss might not be here, but still could be. And it's not here. I'm gonna put my dino here. This is my first time actually doing this with magmadon, because I just got the saddle. Let me on! Run. Never obstacles. I don't like the crystals and the chickens really annoy me while I'm doing this. Right, we're here. Now to get to the new golden egg, we're just gonna wait here. Okay, so these are good. Get from here, go in here and go to the golden egg. Should be right here. And I've already collected it, so it should give you something. Anyways, let's go to egg tooth. this will be it for today's video. Hope you all guys enjoyed. And I will see you in the next one. Where's that salvage? Kind of just recording a video here. I'm gonna quickly go back on app. And then just for like a couple of seconds to end the video. Okay, here we go. Oh wait. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.